Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video I am going to show you how to transfer quizzes with all questions and settings from one website to another. If you are using the Quiz Maker plugin, want to export all the quizzes from, for example, your staging website to live website, so continue watching. To do that, we have a powerful and simple add-on called exporting and importing quizzes. So this plugin is very easy to use, and please note that it works only with the premium version of the Quiz Maker plugin. Now let me show how it all works. First of all, you should install both Quiz Maker and export and import quizzes plugin and add-on. And if you want to install a plugin or add-on, you should click to plugins button, then add new plugin button, upload plugin, and then we click to this choose file button, and from our files we choose the zip file, for example this, and we click this install now button, and after clicking this button, the add-on or plugin will appear here. As you see, I have many quizzes and questions, and now it's high time to show how to first of all export them. We click to this export import quizzes button, then we select from here the quizzes we want one by one, and please note that if you have thousands of quizzes and you don't want to choose them one by one, you can click to this export to JSON button, and it will export all the quizzes you have already made. And as you can see, this add-on saves the information of the quizzes in JSON format. It is the most reliable and often used data structure in programming, and it is not recommended to edit anything in the file, as every symbol is very important in it. And if your quizzes contain images, after importing the quizzes, the add-on will automatically replace those URLs with correct ones. And another key factor is that if you have the same questions in different quizzes, after exporting and importing, the picture will be the same, so it will not duplicate the questions after exporting and importing the quizzes and questions. So now I want to export all the quizzes I have already created. To that, we click to this export to JSON button, and it saves it in JSON format. As we have already exported the quizzes, we go to the website where we want to import them. Here also you should have both Quiz Maker and export and import quizzes. Now we click to this export and import quizzes button. Then go to import section, and we choose here the file, and we click to this import button. As you can see, we have imported our quizzes. Let's check now together. We click to quizzes button, and here you can see all the quizzes here. You can use this add-on, for example, when you build your quizzes on a staging site and want to transfer all the quizzes with settings and questions to your live website. Also, you can use when you manage multiple websites or work with clients and need to reuse content of different projects without starting from nothing each time. And also, if you have a lot of quizzes and questions and want to save a backup so you don't risk losing any content due to technical issues. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.